Welcome back. So we have another video on future of SEO. So if you're somebody who is curious about, what would be the future of SEO, so AI SEO. The most, chances are, the AI will going to be there for SEO. So everything will be like, AI centric. So there will be AI SEO tools, AI tools for content writing. So people are actually using right now SEO, AI tools for content creation. But let me show you what does it mean. What is the feature of SEO? The feature of SEO is evolving toward a more AI driven and user centric approach. So this is basically, it will going to move to the user centric approach when a user, come and search something. Moving beyond traditional keyword optimization, emerging trends include leveraging AI for content creation, understanding user intent, adapting the new search formats like, voice and visual search. So it means, there will be more of like people will going to focus on voice search and then they will eventually want to see visual searches. Here you can see image searches, videos, news, short videos, forums, and web. So if you're somebody who want to focus on voice search, you can create website on voice searches, or you can also turn your article to the voice search and visual searches as well. Visual searches like images, infographics, presentations, PPTs. So these all of these things include in the visual searches. Increasing focus on user experience. So there will be lots of factors which will going to impact. Here you can see AI integration. So we eventually can see that Google is using AI overview to show results from these of the from these websites, and writing and creating content, creating using AI overview in order to show the user that this is the results of what you search. So AI integration is already there. Here you can see user experience. So you must focus on user experience and user intent. So these are all things which comes to the user intent and user experience. Here we have emerging search formats. So you should also focus on these two searches, voice search and visual search, because when people are so much of like they want to hear, because they don't want to read, they don't want to uh, they don't want to waste a lot of time to read, but they just wanted to hear. Sometimes people come and search something like, and they want to hear the search results. So that is also a thing. Visual search is again images and all of those things. Evolving ranking factors. Here you can see these are the factors which already we have discussed in this course. The fifth is the rise of answer engine optimization. So this will also comes up with time, the engine optimization. So these are the two things: focusing on answering user questions, AI powered summaries. So you should be direct in your answers. Don't create flop content and wasting user time. It won't help, because here you can see this is what is coming so fast. Importance of local SEO. So local SEO is also there. Geo targeting, geographic targeting and local listing. The feature of SEO professionals: adaptability, data analysis, content creation. So these are all the things which will going to come in the future, near future, and which is also coming, which is actually happening right now as well. But few of the things are not happening. So it will going to go. Here you can see AI SEO. So AI SEO pre. If you are really, wanted to know what would be the changes in SEO for upcoming years, you can read all the articles from here. That what would be the real changes which which impact your overall website authority or website credibility. So you should know about this. Here you can see AI SEO tools. So people are actually going to making a lot of AI SEO tools and using all of those tools without doing manual research. So they do use these tools. Here we have another, AI tools for SEO content writing. So the main focus of blogs are creating content. So people are usually use, ChatGPT, Jasper, Friends. These are all content creation tool which you can use, which are very, which are free, which are actually free. There are DeepSeek, Duck.io, and there is, here you can see, Cloud, Microsoft. These all tools are free. This is an image generator tool. So everything is like becoming so free, and because AI is coming so far and so forth. So this is going to happen, when you start an SEO career. So there will be some chances that AI will come and enhance, SEO activities. So you have to understand this whole, video, this overall feature of SEO. You want to know more about, this, just go to Google and research on your own, and read as much as articles as you can. So that's pretty much it. See you in the next one.